Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to zoom in CapCut. To do that, launch the CapCut application or go to CapCut.com and log in to your account. Then import your video that you want to edit into your project timeline. Then click on the video clip in the timeline to select it. Example here, I'm gonna select this one. Then on your keyboard, use the plus or and minus key to zoom in and zoom out on the timeline. Or also, you can just drag this video to zoom in or zoom out the timeline or the video. After zooming in, you can preview your video and make any necessary adjustments to the level until you are satisfied with the result. Once you're done editing and zooming in, make sure to save your project. And that's how to zoom in on CapCut. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.